Hi students, today we are going to design a logo for this company. We will participate on a contest so that we can show you how we work from start to finish. And as you can see, we have two parts of this name. One is Vishuddho, and that means pure or purity, you can say that. And another is Bari, which means home. So if we go to the primary phase, we can add a water droplet for purity and home for the body. So after that we can have some other details from the brief. And the company is based on organic food. Organic represents a leaf, so we can also have that. So we have three concepts. One is home, one is the droplet, and one is the leaf. As you can see, we can do something very creative with this. So let's start working here. We have collected three images from the references, and one you can see this where B letter is incorporated, and this logo is used on the contest of Bishit the Bari. So he used the B letter, leaf, and the home. And this is collected from internet, and you can see that home is uh, used with negative space within this leaf. And you can see this, the droplet is having a negative space of leaf. So all of these from internet or contest, and we have this mind map for the logo. And now I'm one home, droplet, and leaf together. So first of all, I think adding a leaf within home will be great. Let's start working. So I will just start working with the shapes. As you can see, there is a square shape. I will just try making the design within this time frame, within this frame. So I will just make it guide, like just make guides, split this, and you can see make guides here. So I'll design everything within this square so that the design at last gives us a square feel. I will just add one anchor point in the middle and try to adjust this design accordingly. And as you can see, this is a home, and now we have to integrate a leaf within this. So we can do this very easily. We have to keep the design very friendly, with very friendly curves and smooth curves, so that it can be friendly, as the contest owner has asked us to do that. I'm just making a random shapes now, and we will adjust it accordingly. And now you can see that I have incorporated a leaf very carefully. But we have to make sure the leaf is very well designed. I need to make another one by reflecting so that it can make us feel like it's welcoming us. We can just select this with the direct selection tool and simplify to see if it works or not. No, but we can do something with the smaller one so that it feels easy. We can also use a smooth tool if we feel that will make us easier, but I don't feel like that, so I will keep it as it is. Instead, I will do some random edits, like making this curve or making this a little curve, whatever I feel easy. I need to see the designs doing some iterations. As this logo will be used in the smallest version, we have to keep that in mind. So as you can see, we have designed till here, and we have incorporated both the lead and the home. Now it's time to add droplet. And to add droplet, I think we need to make it a little smaller, as we want it to be a part of droplet. So for that, we have to firstly draw a circle. We can do it like this, just selecting the design. Making it like this one, and it should have a natural feel. Now just doing divide and ungroup from the pathfinder, and we'll use the reflect tool to make a copy of this and unite. And now you can see how the droplet looks like. So I will just go and I will select house and this looks like this one right now, which is not good, I think. Let's keep it like this one. If I just cut out this part, make sure the leaf are more closer to the droplet curve, and now just do it. Make sure it has this look, and you can see how it looks right now. So I will just add two shapes like this to add more details to the house, or we can do another things, like we can make a little curve, but before that we have to keep a copy of this version. You must have to build a habit of keep saving and your work as this takes time to make a concept. And this is just a trial, so we have kept a copy of this version. So if we fail somewhere, we can we can do changes accordingly. Now let's simplify this shape. And hopefully this one looks good, but we will compare it, and I feel like it's not working. So I'm going to stick with the first version, and now it's time to add some little small details like this one. If it works, I don't think it works, so I have just kept this version and will just make a copy of it at the out of the artboard. And now just hide guides, and now we have made a square version, not square but close to square, I think. By the way, we have created that icon, and now it's time to add the text. The text is BISHUDEHOBARI. So the client asked us to keep the text user friendly, or you can say the viewer should feel friendly. So I am going to change this case to lowercase firstly, and we'll try some fonts for this one. For now I will just try some fonts that will make this friendly. Let me use any font now, as I have to make a research on this one. I'm just using Poppins, and I will have focus on the Vishuddha word, and I will keep it more lighter or regular, whatever it must have feel of different. So as you can see, the icon is good now. We can change the color to anything else, but the word is still different. By the way, I'm just making a final version of the design, so that I can have that for you as a ready video. And you can see that we have added the mind mapping of droplet, home and leaf as this one. So from mind mapping to this, you can see how we work. So thank you so much for watching this video till here, and we will come up with a new video soon.